Hello, my name is Rose and welcome to our Family DIYs channel. Today we're going to be talking about Swiss chard. It's our first time growing it and our first time tasting it. Then I look at the superstores and the grocery stores, how much this little bundle of Swiss chard costs. The prices are going really high at the stores. So I encourage you to just start small somewhere, throw a few seeds here and there and look. And we gave a lot away to family and friends, and we froze them before, and today we're going to harvest everything and we're going to blanch it and freeze it. This is a new garden bed, and you'll notice these are smaller and there's a lot more yellow leaves and really small compared to way over there. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, way over there. Look at all the Swiss chard, and believe it or not, we gave many to family and friends, and tonight we will be blanching all this and putting it in the freezer. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, 24. 24 bags of Swiss chard. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications of my upcoming videos.